What is up, guys? Cars Across Texas here today, and today it is a Sunday at like 9 p.m. Weird time for a meet, but the homie Apollo Meats is having something just right down the road from us. So I'm gonna hop in the Camaro. I'm gonna go get some E85. It is pretty filthy, but it's still looking good. The color, of course, is popping as per usual. But let me get some E85 and head on to the meet. Hopefully it's a solid one. I really don't know what to expect. It's a weird time for a meet, like I said. But without further ado, hop in the Camaro and get this cold start. Poor neighbors. Alright, boys, we have made it here to Apollo Meats. Car meet here at Cherokee in Richmond, I guess. There's some builds here, there's some cool cars. Let's get checking out. I mean, to be expected. It's 10 o'clock on a Sunday, so not as crazy as lots of Apollo Meats, but there's still some stuff to check out. Let's finish your favorite car in today's video down. Well, remember, shop cars across Texas. That's your purchase, and you're right into it. So we do like a little Terminator here. That's nice, brother. A little white Termy. Love to see that. We do like ourselves a clean little DSM here. This is, I mean, it's to be expected from a 20-year-old Mitsubishi. A little bit of paint issues, but I like the color. You got potential there, brother. 4G 63 power for the win. But here, this is where it makes everything worth leaving the house at 10 p.m. on a Sunday. Let's go check this out. This thing is sick. Big old carbon fiber wings, some nice wheels. Apparently it shoots fire. Is this an ACR? He's got the full ACRE setup on it, but it's been debadged. Sick though. It is sick. Of course, you got the OG kitchen table back here with the big old carbon fiber wing, tow hooks, diffusers, all the aero you could ever imagine in the entire world on this thing. Is not an ACR, but it is very clean. All right, he has said he's gonna come turn it on for me. Let's hear how this thing sounds. Nice. Gotta love the sound of a big old American V10. Oh my God, that's sick. You boys know how much I love me a clean old Viper. Ah yes, and he's exposing all of this 8.4 liter V10 glory for the boys to see. You love to see it. M4 scooting through the parking lot. There we go. Got a little nitro yellow Mark V Super rolling in. That looks good. Love to see that. What is this? Oh, it's just Audi again. I don't even think I recorded this guy at the meet the other day, but man's got a gunshot two-step on here. Dude just got the car out of impound from getting caught racing. Oh my God. What the hell is that? You got the Bucky's Beaver out here checking out the two-steps. Ah! Nice little R32 Skyline here next to what looks like a CL63 AMG or possibly a CL55? Or is it a CLS? Okay, CLS 63. You love the big German muscle car boys. 4 doors, luxurious, and all the torque your little heart could ever desire. You love to see that. And on top of it, we got an E92 M3 rolling in. Very nice. Also a very clean cyber gray C6 Grand Sport. Boys, what do you think about a cyber gray ZR1? Do we sell the Camaro and get one of those? Something is over here that's going crazy, bouncing off the alley walls. Oh my God, brother. It does look very adorable with the little fangs. Now, boys, I don't know what I'm witnessing here. Bro, you okay? Are we witnessing like a medical emergency or something? I mean, it does say help on the door. Do you need me to get you some help, my man? He just kept like reversing and then pulling in and then reversing. I don't know. I don't know, boys. That looks pretty good. Matte Gray M3. I hear a burnout somewhere. But where do I hear this burnout from? Is it behind the building? I don't know. All right, boys, we're doing the Ricer shit tonight. This Miata is begging for help. It's on its last breath. My dude really be going full smooth brain with it. He's winking at least while he's doing it. You show him how to spin in that circle, champ. Absolutely 0 bars, but LK. All right, boys, I'm not running anywhere, but I do hear more donuts going on back here. It's definitely some sort of V6 as well. Maybe it sounds a little VQ-ish. We're gonna go 350Z, I think. And there he goes. That supercharger screaming. This guy must be making the sheriff's deputies a lot of money. He got the new Tahoe. That's how you know they're writing them tickets. Got the homie and the Viper rolling out. See you, man. Good talking with you. Oh, another one. You're not as high up in the food chain as Big Dog over there with the new Tahoe. They got you stuck in that 2010. There we go. Sitting from the Viper homie. The parking lot has thinned out rather quickly. I don't think the meet's supposed to end until 11. But I guess people gotta go to work tomorrow too, so. Little 4G63 chop. There we go. Now boys, don't crucify me because I don't really know what Datsun model this is, but I believe it's a little 260Z. Something that you don't see too often on the road, especially not in running shape. There we go. My boys, I'm gonna need you to help me on that one. I don't know which model it is. Alrighty boys, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna get home so I can relax and spend the rest of the night with Allie and the baby. But this is a short video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. There's some exciting bits in there, a couple donuts, a Viper, some revs, 2 steps, flames. I nearly went deaf in this one for you boys, so hopefully you enjoyed it. Remember, shopcarsacrosstexas.com. Ends with a puppet, 20% off the purchase. Get you a shirt, jacket, hat, whatever. Support the channel, support the build. And leave me likes, comments. Let me know what your favorite car was in today's video in the comments below. I'll catch you next one, guys. Peace.